How to change email address in Duolingo. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change email address in Duolingo. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Duolingo application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you land on your home page, navigate to the bottom of this interface and tap on the middle icon that is a person-like icon. That's gonna take you to your account page. From here, navigate to top right corner and then tap on the settings icon. Now again on this settings, you have to tap an option as profile. Once you're on the profile, you will find all of your information such as your name, username and your password. Now to change your email address, tap on the email text box there and now you can remove this email here. Now you can type in your new email address and then tap on the tick mark right here. After that, wait until your email address loads up fully in the space, and once done, you can go back and then save it in your profile. So that's the way to change email address in Duolingo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.